Meteorological phenomena are events related to the atmosphere that can amaze, bewilder, and even frighten. While some weather patterns are familiar, others are bizarre and mysterious. Here are the top 10 strangest meteorological phenomena that have left both scientists and onlookers in awe. 1. Ball lightning. Ball lightning is one of the most mysterious and poorly understood phenomena in meteorology. This rare event involves spherical, glowing objects that appear during thunderstorms. They can hover in the air for several seconds before disappearing, sometimes with an explosion or a bright flash. Scientists are still uncertain about the exact cause of ball lightning, but it remains a captivating mystery in atmospheric research. 2. Red sprites. Red sprites are a rare type of lightning that occur high in the atmosphere, above thunderstorms. These luminous flashes of red or blue light are triggered by lightning strikes below and typically occur 50 to 90 kilometers above Earth's surface. Sprites often appear as vertical columns or tendrils of light and have been observed for decades, though they weren't fully documented until the 1980s. 3. Catatumbo Lightning. The Catatumbo Lightning phenomenon is a spectacular lightning storm that takes place above the Catatumbo River in Venezuela. This lightning storm occurs for up to 160 nights a year, lasting for several hours each night. The intense lightning strikes in this region can produce up to 280 strikes per hour and are thought to be caused by the unique geography and atmospheric conditions of the area, such as the meeting of the warm and cold air masses. 4. Ballooning clouds, asperitas clouds. Asperitas clouds, often referred to as ballooning clouds, are a relatively new classification of clouds. Their undulating, turbulent appearance resembles ocean waves or the surface of boiling liquid. They are formed under specific atmospheric conditions that create instability and unusual cloud patterns. Although they are not common, asperitas clouds can create a dramatic and unsettling visual effect in the sky. 5. Firenado, fire whirl. A firenado, or fire whirl, is a rare phenomenon that occurs when a fire, usually wildfires or large blazes, creates a swirling vortex of air that resembles a tornado but is made of fire. These fiery tornadoes can reach up to 30 meters in height and can spread flames and smoke over large areas. Firenados are extremely dangerous and difficult to predict, adding to their mystique and terror. 6. Green flash. The green flash is a fleeting optical phenomenon that occurs just after sunset or just before sunrise. For a brief moment, a green spot or light can be seen above the horizon, as the sun's rays bend through the atmosphere. This phenomenon is caused by the atmospheric refraction of light, and its rarity makes it a beautiful and elusive sight. It's most commonly observed at sea level when the conditions are perfect. 7. Blood rain. Blood rain refers to rainfall that is colored red or brown due to the presence of dust, sand, or other particles in the atmosphere. The phenomenon occurs when strong winds blow dust or pollen from deserts or other dry regions into the atmosphere, which then mixes with rain clouds. When the rain falls, it carries these particles with it, giving the water a reddish tint, sometimes creating the illusion of blood falling from the sky. 8. The Tunguska Event. Though not a traditional meteorological event, the Tunguska Event is one of the most mysterious atmospheric occurrences in history. In 1908, a massive explosion occurred over the Tunguska River in Siberia, flattening 2,000 square kilometers of forest. It is believed to have been caused by the airburst of a meteoroid or comet entering Earth's atmosphere, which exploded before reaching the ground. While it didn't cause direct meteorological effects, its unusual nature left an indelible mark on scientific studies of the atmosphere. 9. St. Elmos Fire. St. Elmos Fire is a weather phenomenon that creates blue or violet glowing lights at the tips of objects like church spires, ship masts, or airplane wings. This occurs when a strong electric field causes the ionization of air molecules, producing a visible glow. While similar to lightning, St. Elmos Fire is a continuous discharge rather than a strike and is often seen in thunderstorms. Historically, sailors and explorers considered it a sign of divine protection. 10. Supercells and tornadoes. Supercells are massive, rotating thunderstorms that can produce the most violent and destructive weather on Earth, including tornadoes. These storms are capable of creating highly organized and dangerous phenomena, including the development of intense, fast-moving tornadoes. Supercells are characterized by the unique rotating updrafts called mesocyclones, and their potential to produce deadly tornadoes makes them one of the most extraordinary and feared weather systems. Meteorological phenomena remind us of the incredible power and complexity of nature. Whether it's the mystery of ball lightning or the awe-inspiring sight of a supercell, these strange events offer a glimpse into the dynamic forces at play in our atmosphere.